Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take in-depth look on Xbox FST0001 Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. Specification. Wireless controller. Left stick 1 and right stick 10, left bumper 2 and right bumper 7. View button 3, USB charge port 4, Xbox button 5, menu button 6, directional pad D-pad 8, expansion port 9, .5mm port 16, a BXY buttons, the bottom and back of the wireless controller. Left bumper 2 and right bumper 7, USB charge port 4, expansion port 9, infrared, IR window 12. Wireless enrollment button 13, right trigger 11 and left trigger 14. .5mm port 16. Related issues. Support resources. Troubleshooting. FAQs. What is the main difference between the Elite Series 2 and the standard Xbox controller? Is the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 compatible with PC? How long does the battery last on the Elite Series 2? What is included in the box with the Elite Series 2 controller? How do I update the firmware on my Elite Series 2 controller? Can I store multiple profiles on the controller?
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.